Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Um so I was trying to like live stream on my computer so you guys could get a better view of my hair, but it's been a minute since I live streamed on my computer, and apparently YouTube has like changed their settings, and it's kind of difficult, and it seems like um it's like kind of designed to weed out like smaller creators who may not be that technologically inclined. Um, it was a whole process, so I just came. Sorry, y'all. If you hear noise, that's outside. And then I have family members on the phone in the back. But yeah. Anyway, I just decided to do it on my phone, even though the quality may be poor because okay, well, first of all, how are you guys doing? I just want to send you all positive thoughts and love during this time. Um, yeah, this a little ratchet, but my mama, she talking loud. She talking real loud. You know, people from the south, we talk kind of loud, so I have to. Okay. Um, is this good lighting? Well, yeah, this is actually perfect lighting. Okay, so what was I saying? Oh yeah, I just want to send you love and positive thoughts during this time. I know this time for me has like caused me high anxiety. I think I'm on. I don't even know what day of quarantine I'm on, but I haven't been outside since Monday. I've only been outside like twice in the last, maybe 2 to 3 times in the last 2 weeks, and that was only like to get essentials. Um, and so yeah, it's just kind of like killing my spirit or whatever. And I would ideally like to have done like, um, like the more edited, fancy videos and stuff like that. But honestly, I just don't even like feel like going through all that. Um, but yeah, so this is what my hair is looking like at 33 months. Um, I think I filled a 30th month update, but something is like happening with my computer and my editing software, and it's just not cooperating. So, um, if I can find it, I mean, if I can get it to work, then maybe I'll upload the video. But um, either way, I just decided to come film because I thought that it was time. And so yeah, this is what my hair is looking like at 33 months. Um, my last retie I think was February 7th. And so I'm more than likely due for a retie. But because of, the shutdown, I'll either have to do it myself or wait until things open back up and get it done. Um, but yeah, I think the main thing that's been going on with my hair is, and I know I've said this in previous videos, but someone actually said it to me, so it kind of made me like relook at this. I feel like my hair is not growing. I feel like it's not where it should be at 33 months. I feel like I've been kind of sitting at shoulder length pretty much this whole time. And I know everybody hairs grows differently or whatever, but when I look on Instagram and I see people at like 3 years, their hair is like all down their back, and I'm just like, I started with a good amount of hair. Like, why isn't my hair growing? And then I had someone tell me like, oh, I feel like your hair has been like the same length forever. And this was like maybe a couple months back, and I'm like, if other people are noticing maybe something is, wrong, or not wrong, but maybe my hair really isn't growing. And so that's been kind of stressing me out too, because if usually if your hair is like not growing, it may be like a sign of something going on internally. And so like I've been going back and forth to the doctor, and the doctors have been saying like I'm fine. So that has just kind of been like stressing me out, um as to why I feel like my growth is a little stagnant. um I completely lost my train of thought as to what I was gonna say. Oh, I did cut my hair, so I've been trying to keep that in mind. Last summer, when I dyed my hair, I did trim it, but I don't know. I would think that it would have grown back by now. That was in June. This is now the end of March, and I would think that it would have grown back. I can't really do a 360, but um, also I've been noticing that, like, and maybe it's just because I'm like hyper observant now, but like sometimes when I run my fingers through my hair, or even if I touch my hair, I'll get like a like some like like pieces kind of fall out, almost like shedding, and that's been kind of concerning me too, because um my hair's locked. It shouldn't be shedding. Um I mean, it shouldn't be shedding. Like, and especially at the root. Like, I can understand maybe towards the end, but um, especially with me being pretty much locked, I have some open ends. Um, someone says, why would you need retightening if your hair is not growing? Oh, so I mean, at the roots, obviously my I have new growth. Um, And so it's important to tighten the. Yeah, I don't know if you can even see that, but it's important. I do have new growth that could be tightened. Um, and it's important to do that so your locks will not thin out, because like the longer you wait to retighten, the thinner your roots will be at the top, and then that can make your locks inconsistent. And if your locks are thin at one part and thick at another part, then you're at risk for breakage. So what I mean by my hair is not growing is like, even though it's growing from the root and I may retighten it, I feel like it's not going past my shoulders. Like I feel like it just um sits here. Sits like right about at this length. That's what I mean by not growing. Um, it is growing obviously because I wouldn't have the new growth, but for some reason, like my hair is not, I guess, growing vertically. Maybe it's still shrinking, but I don't know. It's been almost 3 years, and I should be out of the shrinking stage. Like I think I'm pretty much out of that stage. Um, at least I would think so. Because when you first get sister locks or interlocks or any type of locks, your hair shrinks first. Um, but yeah, I would think that I'm out of that stage. So yeah, I don't really know what's going on. But that's pretty much the two things that I'm experiencing. Sorry, I'm trying to charge my phone before it dies. Um, I hope it don't die. I'm gonna just end this video, but yeah, those are the two main things that I've been experiencing. I haven't been styling my hair or anything like that. I think I maybe the last time I did a braid out was in my last video when I went to get it retightened. Otherwise, I'm pretty lazy with my hair. But yeah, this is what it's looking like. Leave your comments down below. Um, I know it's a live, you guys, but you guys will see it later. So leave your comments below, and I'll get back to them. Um, Gene G says, could it be the different chemical It might be. It might be. That's actually something I didn't think about. Thank you for bringing that up. Yeah, maybe my hair has not been receptive to all that dye and chemicals that I put it in, and maybe that might be causing the shedding and you know, maybe, which is maybe stunting the growth. That, thank you, that's a good point. I didn't even think about that. But I wouldn't know that unless I ask my loctician. So I will ask her and see what she says. Um, yeah, so yeah, that's pretty much it. Leave your comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.